Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you two super simple ways to add students to your Google Classroom. First, let's use the class code. This is the easiest way to get a lot of students into your class quickly. Right here on your class homepage, the stream, you will see a unique code. You can click on this little display box to make the code pop up bigger. All your students need to do is go to their Google Classroom page from the cloud. Click on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner and select Join Class. Then they'll just enter this code. It is that easy. The second method is to invite students directly with their email. This is great for adding just a few students. Click on the People tab at the top of your page. Under the Students section, you will see an icon of a person with the plus sign. Go ahead and click it. A new window will pop up. Just start typing in the email address of the students you want to add or the name. It will find their email in the TCAP system. You can add one or more at a time. Once you're done, you'll click this invite button at the top. An invitation will be sent to their email, and all they have to do is accept to join your class. And that's all there is to it. Whether you use the class code or send an email invite, you'll be able to get your students connected in no time.